where is my hammer? There's a tape measure I've been looking for. Does this look familiar? Constantly hunting for the tools you need for a project? Well, I've got just the thing for you for tool management, so stick around and watch. Now, what did I do with my safety glasses? Hello do-it-yourselfers, Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician, and you'll find on my channel here tons of helpful information to help you with your home electrical wiring projects, and my goal is to help you do them safely and competently. So if you're anything like myself, one of the biggest time wasters on any electrical project or any do-it-yourself project for that matter is searching for tools. Sandy, have you seen my hammer? Where's my cordless drill? My tape measure? And of course, my safety glasses. So back when I started out in the trade back in '81, I had a tool pouch with a leather tool belt, and that of course went around your hips and supported the tool pouch on one side, and that holds true for many electricians today. But you'll find that after over the years that can take a toll on your hips, and I developed sciatic issues. So after that I migrated towards a tool bag. Now the good thing about a tool pouch is that you could reach down, you had everything in a place and a place for everything, so you knew where things were. I could reach down and grab my strippers and I knew exactly where they were. With the tool bag, you end up piling all your tools into a bag and then you drag that around with you, and you end up sitting down or kneeling at a project and you spill all the tools out on the floor. And then when you're done with that one, you got to pile them all back into the bag and move on to the next project. But searching for tools is a big time waster, and especially if you're working for someone who's paying you and you're spending a lot of time looking around the house or looking around the job site for tools. Now, not such a big deal for the do-it-yourselfer on your own project, but hey, time is precious. We all know that, and you just don't know how much you have left in the bank, so you don't want to waste any of it. So when I moved on to my career, I guess, as the Internet Electrician, kind of went back to the scatter, search, and find method of tool management, but the most important thing for me was to have everything I needed for that certain shot all lined up and ready to grab. However, I found something so much better for any of my DIY projects or my videos, and I was browsing through Facebook one day and I stumbled upon a short little promotional video that was done for Atlas 46 by a good friend and associate of mine back in my hometown in Alberta, Shane Dixon. Now he was sporting this new Atlas 46 workwear. And when I saw that, I reached out to him and I said, where did you get that? Because that has to become the new official workwear of the Internet Electrician. So over the years, I have used some workwear. I used to have, or I still have, a Skillers vest here that I used to use in a lot of my videos. And Skillers was a Canadian company. They had lots of good stuff. They had tool belt accessories and hammer hooks that hung off your vest. And they also came with some pants that had pockets in them so you could slide knee pads in without strapping knee pads on the external side of your pants. But that company went under, and after we had outfitted all our staff with all that, they were no longer available. So anyway, when I saw that video, I just had to have the Atlas 46 system. So let me show you what that's all about. Stay tuned here. So here it is. This kit is the Stratos Open Core Tool Vest. Comes with many accessories in the kit. And you can buy individual products and mix and match however you see fit to outfit yourself. I'm sporting probably 60 or 80 pounds of tools here, which you wouldn't need to do, but it's comfortable, distributes a weight throughout your body, over your shoulders. These are quality made like you wouldn't believe. We got nylon strapping, got padding wherever you need it. They're an American company made in the USA, so you're not supporting something from overseas. They've got a clip here that they sent me that's got the Canadian flag on it, so they can kind of custom design them for whatever country you're in. But make sure you check out atlas46.com. Now let me just give you a close-up of some of the features of the different accessories. I'm going to go over to the GoPro view here. I've got my hammer hook to hold the hammer, of course. And then we've got a holster on this side to balance the weight a little bit from my tool pouch. I put my holster for my cordless drill. Over on this side, underneath that is a pouch that I can put all my bits for the drill in. Nice big pouch to support all that, so it's all here with me. Another pocket here for a flashlight if you'd like. You can see some of the nice quality buckles, 2 buckles across your midsection, 1 across your chest, which you can see from the other angle. Here I've got a pouch for my tape measure. And even the Fluke holster from my Fluke T5 1000 that fits on right onto the belt, onto the vest as well. And they've got, the vest has all these nylon straps that go across them, sewed with heavy duty thread, so these attachments slip in and then Velcro on the other side so that everything is secure, nothing is going to fall off. Here's the tool pouch, got all my pliers in there, my pump plier, needle nose, angle, diagonal pliers, my linesman pliers, and all the screwdrivers I need. Place for everything in its place. And then another attachment that actually is a separate attachment that you can put on the tool belt or on the vest anywhere for my knife. Crescent wrench on this side. And then looking at the back, you can see how it fits across your back. Like I say, it distributes a weight throughout your body and your hips, so it's not all just pulling off of one side. So this is great stuff, great for plumbers, electricians, carpenters. Any blue-collar job would see a great value in a vest like this. And for my clients, the do-it-yourselfers, you can't beat it. You can walk around the yard or the house doing your project. You'll load it up with whatever you might be working on, the tools you need for the project you're working on. So check it out, atlas46.com, made in the US of A. Highly recommended, and I now call it the official workwear of the Internet Electrician. So please give this video a like. I want you to comment below, ask me any questions about this vest and the kit that comes, all the accessories that come with it, and we'll discuss it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I release a new video, and you'll see me sporting the new atlas46.com workwear. Thanks for watching. Terry Peterman, the Internet Electrician.